Let's take a tour today of one of the cutest resorts in all of Walt Disney World, Art of Animation. Art of Animation is located in the ESPN Wide World of Sports area of Walt Disney World, right across the water from Pop Century Resort. Based on the features and amenities, Disney classifies it in the value category of resorts, though the pricing is much different than the other values. More on that in a moment. The resort honors animation and the movies that have been brought to life thanks to the artistry. Guests can explore a variety of storybook landscapes, including Finding Nemo, Cars, The Lion King, and The Little Mermaid. We will start at the main building, the gorgeous animation hall. The front desk area is colorful and there's a great chandelier overhead spotlighting animation. The beauty and theming of this area continues in the Landscape of Flavors food court. Nearby, you'll find the ink and paint shop for basic needs and souvenirs, as well as the Pixel Play arcade. You'll also find other things here that you'll find in other resorts like Bell Services, where they are happy to hold your luggage if you need them to. Outside of the main building, you'll find the largest resort pool in a Walt Disney World Resort, Big Blue Pool, inspired by the movie Finding Nemo. You'll also find an interactive water play area called Schoolyard Spray Ground, which is perfect for the little ones. Two more pools, Cozy Cone Pool, inspired by Cars, and Flippin' Fins Pool, inspired by The Little Mermaid, are also available to guests looking to cool off. 24-hour laundry services are located right next to each of the three pools, and the buildings where the rooms are located are themed after Little Mermaid, Lion King, Finding Nemo, and Cars. Let's take a look inside each of those. Let's start in the Little Mermaid section, which is the only part of the resort that is exclusively standard non-suite rooms. This section is located the furthest from the main building, but it is also the most affordable way to stay at Art of Animation. These rooms are rarely ever part of promotion, so expect to pay full price if you book a room here. The rooms are one big room with a table and chairs, two queen beds or one king bed, a dresser, and a TV. The bathrooms are comparable to standard hotel bathrooms with a sink and mirror that is separate from the shower, tub combo, and toilet. Now let's talk about the other three sections of the resort, which consists of all family suites. These buildings all have interior hallways as opposed to exterior ones that you'll find in all of the other value resort rooms, and they also have much more space. Each family suite comes with one queen bed, one double-sized table bed, and one double-sized sleeper sofa. The room with the queen bed also has another TV, dresser, a place to hang clothes, and a bathroom attached. The suites overall have two full bathrooms, one connected to that main bedroom and one that is right off the main living space. There's even a kitchenette that has a microwave, coffee maker, and a mini fridge. You'll have a choice of theming from The Lion King to Finding Nemo to Cars, with the exterior spaces of these buildings just as well themed as the interiors. While there isn't a preferred category to book at Art of Animation Resort, the Finding Nemo section is the equivalent. As a result, it does cost a bit extra to stay in the Finding Nemo suites. Speaking of cost, the extra space and amenities of the suites do come at an extra price, with the rates being comparable to some of the standard deluxe rooms. For activities, you will find many listed on the recreation schedule, which includes nightly movies under the stars. You will also find the Righteous Reef Playground in the Finding Nemo courtyard, and a running trail that will take you along the water. Next up, let's talk transportation. Like the nearby Pop Century Resort, Art of Animation has a couple of great transportation options. The first of these are the direct buses, where you will just have one bus stop at the resort and they take you directly to your destination without sharing with any other resorts. There is also the convenient Skyliner, which gives you easy access to Epcot, Hollywood Studios, Caribbean Beach Resort, Riviera Resort, and the Boardwalk area. You can walk over to Pop Century if you'd like, and self-parking is available for $15 per day. And now for our overall thoughts on the resort. We think it has so many fantastic things going for it, including having some of the best theming in all of Walt Disney World, dedicated buses, extra space in the suites for those who need it, a bigger and better food court than the other value resorts, access to the Skyliner system, and the ability to walk over to Pop Century. On the downside, it is very spread out, can have spotty cell phone service and Wi-Fi, is the most expensive of the value resorts, and those Little Mermaid rooms are rarely part of any promotions. The ideal people to stay here are families with little ones who will appreciate the fun theming, could use the extra space, and don't mind paying a little more for it.